In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule for 4 different locations and make sure that people aren't being slotted in twice for at the same time. So first of all, I have this, and it's for a week, and I have 1 facility, 2 facilities, 3 facilities, 4 facilities. Now, let me show you the second sheet. On that sheet, I have, these are names from the random generator. If your name appears on this list, you need to buy a lottery ticket or something because you're lucky. And so what I've done is I've got a group of names here. Now, not everybody is able to work in each of the facilities. And so what we're going to do is we have a yes next to the ones that they're able to work in. Now, what I've done to make this easy for me to figure out is now I've done it for each location. I have a list of people that are able to work there. Now, this is just simply an if statement, and so I go if C2, which is facility 1, it says yes. If it equals yes, then you put the name here. Now, if and it's the same thing for if it's D1, then they're under the location 2, and so on. Now, I have named these ranges. So I have location 1, I've named, and location 2 and 3, and all the way down there. Now, if somebody decides that they're able to work somewhere, it's just a matter of putting in the yes next to their name. So we'll put it in for 1. And now this person appears in this list as well. So let's go back to my sheet here. And so here we have our different locations. Now what I've done here is I've created, for each one, I've created a drop-down list of the people for facility 1 that they're able to work in this location. Now how I did this, I went to the data tab, I went to data validation, and then what I've done is I've set a list, the names that I've filtered out for this location. And so then I say equals location 1, which is my named range. Okay, so now if you happen to pick out, let's pick out, oh, Noel sounds good. And then you would put in here, you would put that he's starting at 8 o'clock, let's say 8 a.m. And then you would go down to facility 2, and then you would, oh, just by accident, you picked Noel again. It turns yellow. I've conditionally formatted so if it will highlight duplicates. Now, I found when I did this, I had them all turning red, and it was getting confused, so that if I, so let me take out Noel out of here. Let's put Isabel in here. And then let's put Noel in this one, let's say. And when I had conditionally formatted them all to turn red, that it would be turning this red and that red, even though they're not on the same day. But once again, if I select Noel further down here, he will turn green. So how I've done that is I've selected my column from the start all the way to the very bottom. And what I've done is I've gone to, on the Home tab, I go conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, and then if you notice at the bottom there's duplicate values here. And so then you're able to, the default is light red background and dark red text. But like I said, when I did them before, when they would all highlight when they were even if they weren't in the same column. So what I did is I went in each individual column and put them a separate color, so that so let's go for Wednesday, and let's put Noel in here, and let's put let's go down to another. Oh no, I know Noel's in this one, so let's go into here and go Noel. and then the color that I selected for this one is blue, so it turns color if there's definitely two duplicate people in different locations. This is how you can schedule the same types of people or the same people for 4 different locations and make sure that you don't have duplicates in the scheduling. Please subscribe.